Hey guys, it's still Thursday the 26th. Yeah, I figured out what I did wrong to string the self-cocking crossbow earlier. So we're gonna make a short video of what I did wrong, and we're gonna string it the right way. Yeah, I compared it to my other crossbow. I was like, hey, they look different. And I was like, whoa, I put the bow in the wrong way. I'm going to show you exactly what I did. But before we do that, we already killed maybe a million fruit flies. We're going to see if they uh, 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 got back up and reinforced their forces. Let's hope they're gone, man. Sheesh. I might have to recharge this thing, man. Okay. Here we go. Going into hostile territory. Let's hope we don't have to kill anymore. We already did a million flies. Okay. Man, we need air support. We need the SWAT team, man. We need SWAT back up. What in tarnation is going on here? Man, it was like 10 minutes ago when y'all saw me taking out a whole bunch. Whew. See if there's any in the air. Nope, they were all down there. See if there's still some hiding out. Man, it's a never-ending battle against the fruit flies, man. Fruit fly wars. Woo! Some in the air. Woo! Man, sweating bullets again. Woo! Just when you thought you were done, you ain't done, son. All right, let's correct what we did a while ago. Something funky happened. Okay, to show you what I did wrong, guys. So I put the bow in this way. It's the wrong way, man. If you get a crossbow, make sure all the logo and the decal is on the other side. See? Originally I put it that way. It has to go in this way. First put your rubber buffer in. If you get a metal one, make sure you don't use the metal one. It's going to eventually pop out. So we got the rubber piece in. And we're going to slide in the bow the correct way. Alright. See that? That is the correct way. Okay. See how it looks like in the front? It's aligned. Okay. Now we take our tool. Most crossbows come with this tool. We're going to tighten it. As you tighten it, make sure you keep that alignment, because it's going to shift. Okay. Yeah, we got this thing solid, tight. Now we're going to put the side tips on. I had to unsuper glue them. See, we're going to use our hands. We don't need to use the rubber hammer, because this time we're putting it on the right way. Yeah. Okay, got the two tips on. Let's do this. Whew. This should go fast, man. Okay. Original string, or the actual string, goes on the top. See, there's two layers. There's a top layer and a base layer. So the original string goes on the top layer. And the stringer loops around and goes on the base. See that? It goes past the string, and it goes on the base. One level below. Pull that real tight. Okay. Now, sorry for the shaky video because I'm in motion here. Okay, now we take the stringer. Let me string it on the other side. And we put it on the base. Sorry for the shaky video, guys. Trying to strap here. Okay. Make sure you loop this around. You put it on the base. Okay. The original string is going to go on the top layer. This is on the base layer. Okay. Got it nice and tight. Okay. See, we don't even use duct tape this time because we got the bow in the correct position. We don't have it backwards. We might need to use duct tape. I don't know. Okay. Let's try it without duct tape. Hopefully I won't have to use it. We're going to caulk it. So far so good. Make sure this string is behind the caulker. If you put it on this side, you're in trouble. Make sure it's behind it. Okay. And then this is the tricky part. You loop this underneath and over, and then you pop it on the top layer, top area. Hopefully you can see that. Pull down, make sure it's solid. Feels solid. So far so good. Then you dry fire. Let's hope it's going to work this time. Yeah. Looks like we got it. Woo, yippee-ki-yay, baby. Now this time we did it the correct way. See? Last time I had it backwards. This time it's the correct way. See, the logo is in the front. That's how you tell. Last time I had the logo in the back. Okay, let's fire this baby. Where this is more powerful than my other crossbow, so I gotta use a little bit more caution. Safety is engaged during the loading process. Okay. Let's do this. Just like shooting a handgun, control your breathing, squeeze the nut pull, and relax your shoulders. Woo! Yeah. Not bad. Let's see if we can get a little bit more accurate. This thing is powerful. Whew. But it's self-cocking, so I don't need to use gloves. Okay, another Robin Hood green bolt. Alright, here we go. We're 20 feet away from the target here. Releasing the safety. Controlling our breathing. Staying relaxed. And squeezing the trigger. Not pulling. Yeah, way better. We almost got the bullseye. Alright, we're going for the bullseye, man. Always have the safety on during the loading process. See? It's totally secure. Okay. 120 pounds of pure hand crossbow power, baby. Woohoo! Bullseye, man, bullseye. Ha ha ha. Yippee ki yay! Look how powerful it is, man. It almost went through the whole thing. Woo! Man. And we have successfully string a brand spanking new 140-pound hand crossbow, and we did it correctly this time. Make sure the logo is on the outside. Yeah. Yippee-ki-yay, baby. And I'll see you at the patrol soon, because the ducks are waiting, man.